Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials. You have the Ring app, your doorbell is online, and your phone allows push notifications. Open the Ring app now and tap your doorbell device. Once there, select device settings so you can access motion settings immediately. Make sure Live View works. That proves connectivity. If Live View fails, restart the doorbell or router, then return here. Having these basics ready saves time and prevents repeated steps later. Next, tailor what triggers alerts. Tap motion settings and choose motion zones to draw or adjust the active areas. You want zones covering walkways and driveways while excluding sidewalks and busy streets. Then set sensitivity. Higher picks small movements but increases false alerts. Lower reduces noise but can miss subtle motion. Use the range slider to limit distance. Once configured, save and use the Live View walk test to confirm. Finish by enabling motion alerts in the device's notifications section and turn on rich notifications for snapshots. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off on your phone and that the Ring app is allowed to run in background. Test by walking through a motion zone. You should get a push alert within seconds. If alerts don't appear, verify Wi-Fi signal and restart the doorbell and router. If problems persist, reinstall the app or reset notification permissions. These steps resolve most notification failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.